Hello everyone, this is Josie with Knit Chats. I received some happy mail from the Dizzy Knitter recently and I thought I would do a little unboxing for you. Right off the bat is a sweet little thank you. Oh, and an extra sticker, very sweet. I can stick that onto my laptop. And then, oh, look how sweet this box is. See, I don't know if you can see it, but it's this pink box with the Dizzy Knitter imprint. Very sweet. Okay, so pretty. All right, we will just rip that open. Ah, wonderful. So I ordered a couple of skeins of this Noro yarn. It's Noro Curion Air. And it's a super bulky yarn, US needle size 10.5 to 13 or so. And I got this in a very pretty colorway with, you know, purples and blues and grays. And then the other one, the same brand, Noro Curion Air. And this is in the yellows and greens and mustard. Oh, and I see some lavender and some pinks in there. Oh, lovely. If you're familiar with Noro, or if you're not actually, it's a Japanese brand and it's known for its unique dyeing methods. It's a super fun yarn to knit with because of the many colors. Look at all that. Look at all those fun colors, and then look at this little plied green and yellow bits here. Anyway, it's really fun to knit with because you're knitting along and the colors just gradually shift. And it's a beautiful effect. So my plan is to make a couple of hats out of this. It's very lightweight, and it's actually, I should mention, it's 100% wool. And there's my gorgeous yarn from the Dizzy Knitter. Happy knitting, everybody.